College isn't just about learning facts, it's about building trust, credibility, and character. That's why academic integrity is so important. First, let's talk about plagiarism. Plagiarism is using someone else's words, ideas, or work and pretending it's your own. Today, that doesn't just mean copying from a book or a website. It also includes copying answers from AI tools like ChatGPT or other text generators without giving credit or getting permission from your professor. If you turn in AI's work as your own, you're misrepresenting yourself, and the penalties are serious. You could fail an assignment or even the course. Second, remember that AI should support your learning, not replace it. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, check grammar, or practice a skill. But your professors want to see your voice, your thinking, your effort. That's what earns a degree, not shortcuts. Finally, let's not forget protecting your own work. Just as you shouldn't steal from others, you don't want your work stolen or misused either. Save your papers securely. Don't share assignments with people who might turn them in as their own. Be cautious about uploading your work to websites or apps that don't protect your privacy. Using AI in education can get you into serious trouble. Academic integrity is essential, and with the rise of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to be aware of how to navigate this new landscape. Plagiarism can happen in subtle ways, often without you even realizing it. When you rely too heavily on AI tools for writing, research, or problem solving, you risk submitting work that isn't entirely your own. To sidestep these issues, always attribute your sources correctly. If you use AI tools, refrain from accepting their outputs verbatim. Instead, take inspiration from them and express your understanding in your voice. This protects your originality and ensures your work reflects your own thoughts. Now, protecting your personal work is equally important. Always save your drafts and use secure platforms to store your documents. Regularly back up your work to avoid losing it. If you share your work, make sure it's with trusted individuals or for specific purposes. As a rule, keep personal ideas and projects private until you're ready to share them on your own terms. Develop a personal style that reflects your ideas. When you express your thoughts authentically, you create a barrier against theft and misuse of your work. Believe in your perspective. It's valuable and unique. Stay vigilant, stay original, and your academic journey can be both successful and ethically sound. Here's the bottom line. Academic integrity means honesty. With your professors, with your classmates, and with yourself. AI is a tool, but your integrity is what shapes your future. So ask yourself, am I using technology to cut corners or to grow stronger in my learning?